Welcome to your Biro Mini 32 mixer grinder. In this brief video, you will see how to unpack, set up, operate, disassemble, clean, and assemble your machine. An operating manual and warranty card is included with each machine. Please read this operation and service manual. Be sure to completely fill out the warranty card and return it to Biro Manufacturing Company. Please note, this video is not meant to take the place of the manual. The Mini 32 will arrive completely assembled. Be sure to inspect the shipping carton for any indications of damage. Remove staples from the base of the shipping pallet. Lift cardboard cover off the pallet. Do not discard the packing materials until you've completed your inspection for damage. Note, this machine is shipped on a pallet cradle, so the casters are suspended and are not supporting the machine. Cut and remove the packing band securing the machine to the shipping pallet. The machine must be lifted from the cradle and set onto the casters. The approximate weight of the Biro Mini 32 is 445 pounds. Use caution lifting the machine from the pallet. Make sure the hopper is clear of objects. Install the machine on a level, non-skid surface in a well-lighted work area away from children and visitors. Lock all the casters to keep the machine from moving. This machine is complete except for the knife and plate. There is a cardboard bowl shipping plug placed in the output end of the grinding bowl to retain the grinding auger during shipment. Remove the ring, bowl shipping plug, grinding auger, and the accessory box. The machine must be properly grounded. Use a qualified electrician to install according to local building codes. After checking and making sure the power supply is correct, plug in your machine. Never attempt to operate the machine with product mixer safety cover open or hopper removed. The start-stop switch in the grinding gauge lever is located on the right side of the machine when facing the grinder bowl. The start-stop switch will activate the mixer paddles. The start-stop switch will also activate the grinder auger, only when the grind lever is in the grind position. To deactivate the grinding operation, move the grind lever to the mix position. The hopper and hopper cover safety interlock switches are located in the motor compartment. When the safety cover is raised, the machine will not run. This is a very important step. The interlock safety switch must always be in working order. Note, the safety switch is not an on-off switch. Use the start-stop button to turn machine on or off. Refer to pre-operation and auger rotation check section of the manual with any questions. Note, rotation must be checked with the grinding auger removed. Otherwise, serious irreparable damage may occur to grinding components. Turn the hand-foot selector switch to the hand mode position and move the auger engagement lever to grind. Push the green start button. Check the rotation of the auger drive shaft. Rotation must be counterclockwise, as indicated by the rotation decal affixed to the grinding bowl. If the machine runs clockwise, it must be rewired to the correct rotation. Otherwise, serious, irreparable damage may occur to the grinding components. Use a qualified electrician to correct the rotation. To check operation of the optional foot switch, plug the foot switch cord into the fitting located on the same side as the operation controls. Move the toggle selector to foot mode. The machine will operate with pressure on the foot switch treadle. Releasing the treadle stops the machine. The foot switch operates the mix and grind together when engagement lever is set to grind. Always turn off and unplug the machine from the power source and perform lockout-tagout procedures before cleaning or servicing. Remove the retaining ring, plate, and knife. Now the auger can be pulled out from the grinding bowl. Remove mixing paddle by first raising the safety lid. Next, loosen the paddle lock knob, the 4-point knob located at the front of the hopper. Then turn the locking lever clockwise approximately quarter turn and remove to unlock the paddle shaft from the hopper. Slide paddle shaft toward front of the hopper and lift the drive end up and out to remove the paddle. After the paddle has been removed, Lift the hopper lockdown clamps to release the lockdown rods from the hopper anchors. The hopper is now ready for removal. Lift the hopper from the grinding bowl. After the paddle, hopper, retaining ring, and auger assembly have been extracted, the grinding bowl can now be removed by lifting the output end of the assembly and pushing toward the cabinet. Next, lift the bowl lock hooks and separate the bowl assembly from the machine. The above items can be put on a cart and taken to the designated cleaning area. Always turn off and unplug the machine from the power source and perform lockout-tagout procedures before cleaning or servicing. Removable parts are now ready to be cleaned using warm soapy water and rinsed with clean water. Machine may be cleaned by power spray washing, taking care not to spray directly at any electrical controls. After machine has been cleaned and allowed to air dry, all exposed metal surfaces should be coated with a food-grade oil or grease. If the machine is equipped with a clear hopper cover, use a soft cloth and warm soapy water to clean. Install the grinder bowl onto the bowl support brackets. There are bowl mounting studs located on the sides of the bowl that will rest on the top edge of the bowl support brackets. Slide the grinder bowl toward the cabinet. The auger drive shaft will extend through the grinder bowl seal. Continue to push the grinder bowl until it cannot travel any further. Lower the two bowl lock hooks over the bowl mounting studs. Pull the grinding bowl towards the front of the machine until the bowl is locked by the bowl lock hooks. There are two bowl locator pins that must be aligned with the two holes in the bowl. Lower the grinder bowl down until the pins enter the holes and the pins are approximately even with the top surface of the grinder bowl. Ensure the bowl lock hooks are down and are fully securing the bowl mounting studs. Place the hopper onto the grinding bowl assembly with the lock arm retainer facing toward the front of the machine. Lock the hopper in place using the hopper lockdown latches. Ensure both latches are tight. Install the mixer paddle and lock arm assembly by first connecting the driven end of the paddle shaft to the driver hub. Insert lock arm assembly into the hopper and onto the paddle shaft. Rotate quarter turn counterclockwise. Tighten the paddle lock knob, the 4-point knob located on the front of the hopper. Install the auger into the bowl. Ensure the square drive is fully seated into the auger drive shaft. Install the knife onto the auger. Install the grinder plate onto the auger. Make sure the plate notches are aligned with the bowl pins. The grinder plate must extend beyond the end of the bowl, approximately half the thickness of the grinding plate. Install the end ring. Note, the end ring is to be hand tightened only. Be sure the grinder plate is secured in the bowl by anti-rotation pins. The Mini 32 is also available in a single-phase configuration. This configuration includes a variable frequency drive controller. This system requires internal parameter adjustments for proper setup. Refer to the variable frequency drive manual included with each machine. A qualified electrician is recommended for all parameter adjustments. Thank you for watching this short demonstrational video. Always turn off and unplug the machine from the power source before cleaning or servicing. With proper preventative maintenance and following the instructions provided in the manual, you will achieve years of use from this machine. Additional information or authorized referral assistance may be obtained from Byra Manufacturing Company.